Hey guys, looks who's back. It's Dukaan lifetime deal. It's been 1 year since it was last time for the lifetime deal here, and now it's back again. I already created some videos on the Dukaan with the Shopify comparison, detailed tutorial and the lifetime deal here. So if you haven't watched these videos, you can also watch it, but it's been around the 1 or 2 years I have created those videos. But right now when its lifetime is back again, I'm going to give you detailed overview and the features and the demo for this tool again. So if you don't know what is the Dukaan, this is the Shopify Alternative with the good features and the options available with the lifetime deal. Yes, you don't have to pay any subscription prices, because one time payment you can get the lifetime access. And the best part, they don't charge any transaction fees on any product payment or the sales. This is the best part. It has also the so many plugins available you can use. Like if I go to the plugins here, you can see last time it has only the few plugins, but now they have added more plugins in their platform. You can add or customize your appearance for the shop. You can add the pages, menus, blog section and all kind of the stuff here. Adding products is also really easy. You can add new project or bulk upload via the file. And if I go to the dashboard, it will give you the detailed step-by-step process to start adding your e-commerce store, adding the product and the setup payment page. So I have just set up my e-commerce product and haven't added any product, and now this is how it's look like. Pretty much really empty here because I haven't any added product. So product adding is also really easy. You can see you can add a product manually, or if you have already a store on the Shopify, WooCommerce or the Gumroad, what you can do, you can simply click it here on that icon here, and after that you have to add that Shopify store link and the token ID, and this will import all of your products, categories, prices, images, all stuff in the really effortless way here. And if you have already a competitor, you want to add that product also in your store, in the basic import you can also do that. All you need to just enter the Shopify store link here and click on the start import. It will add the products with the basic information, although you have to do a little bit manual work in the basic import here. Okay, then if you want to add the discount, there's the option available. There's the option for the audience and the marketing. Okay, so all these things you are going to see in the Dukaan, and this is the really mind-blowing platform. And let me tell you, you should not miss out this deal, because after these 7 days its pricing is going to be increased. You can check out this notification here. Okay, so let me give you detailed overview and the demo of the Dukaan, starting with its lifetime deal. So it's back again after the 1 year. So here you can read out, launch your own online store or the app in the minutes. Yes, that is the capable of the Dukaan feature. Okay, it is an e-commerce platform that lets you build, manage, scale your store in seconds. No coding or designing skill required. This is the best part. Let me scroll down below here. You will get some of the glimpse of the dashboard. You have to pay the 0 transaction fee. This is also mind blowing. Let's go to till the end. You can see lifetime access to the Dukaan, all the future updates. Let me scroll down below. Unlimited hosting on the Dukaan. Yes, along with all the features, you are going to get the unlimited hosting to host your app or the website on the Dukaan itself. You can connect your custom domain as well. Okay, multiple payment options you get, whether it's Stripe, PayPal or the other as well. Free inbuilt themes you will get. 104 plus languages support. So no matter which country you are going to launch your app or e-commerce store with the Dukaan, it is going to be supported. Automated abandoned cart recovery. This is another really good mind-blowing feature to scale your sales with abandoned cart recovery option or the feature. Manual order creation and all this stuff basically. So in the tier 1 plan, you will get the access launch 1 store, and you can add 5 team members. You can see Gumroad and the WooCommerce importer and the Shopify importer as well. You will get theme builder and the store. I don't know what it is. Okay, this is the Play Store file you will get. Okay, so with the tier 1 plan, you can also launch your app on the Play Store. In the tier 2 plan, you can see you can launch up to 10 stores. In the tier 3 plan, you can launch unlimited online stores here. So this is the Dukaan platform, but I suggest you should not miss out. Pricing started from just $69, and if you have the option available to scale with the tier 2 or the tier 3, I suggest go with the tier 2 or tier 3 plan, because here you will get the more stores launching option. Now let me give you detailed overview dashboard for the features demo here. So this is how its dashboard look like. Once you got its lifetime deal, it will ask you to launch your store with a simple click here. You can launch it. Then after that, it will ask you to add the product and set up the payments. In the 3 step, your online store is ready to launch and sell the products. Okay, then after that, when you got the orders, this is where your orders will start appearing. There's this abandoned, and in the abandoned cart, if you see, there's some products users are not buying. What you can do here, from this section you can launch the abandoned cart recovery thing. That this is the delivery section where you can check it out, all the warehouse information you have added and contact information of the warehouse, so you can get the information about the delivery part. Okay, so basically this is all about the delivery. Then this is the products. Here you can see all of your products. I know I'm just giving you the really instant part here, but this is all the basic part you can do in your way. Like, you can add your own products. Okay, so that's why I'm just giving you the introductory part of all the features that is available on the Dukaan. Then here's for the category, you can add the category. This is for the inventory. This is analytics to get the sales information, visit information, all these things stuff. Then this is for the traffic, how much the traffic, from which part you are getting traffic, all this stuff you can just get the information on the traffic analysis. Then this is for the products. If you want to check it out, which products are getting the most of the traction out of traffic, you can check it here. Then this is for the discount. You want to add the discount coupon codes, you can do it here. That is the really easy way. Just click here on the create coupon and you will see all the categories for the coupons, like the percentage discount, buy X get Y free, freebie, all this stuff. Basically this is for the coupons. Then this is the audience part, like your customers. Okay, your customers information start appearing up here, and this is for the appearance. You want to change the theme for your e-commerce store or the app, you can do it from here, and it has so many good theme options available, but some of them are the subscription charges. So let me tell you, this is the notice, not all of the themes are free. You can see there are some of the paid ones. For example, if I click here, you can see it is asking me as the premium theme. So not all the themes are free here. In the pages, you can add or customize the pages. This is for the menu. This is the blog. If you want to launch your own blog, you can also do that with the Dukaan. This is the section available. It is for the media, to managing all your medias, adding file or deleting. You can do it from here. And this is the mind-blowing section, that is the plugins. With adding the plugins, you can add the new feature, new option in your online store. For example, you want to add the e-commerce marketing. This plugin available, that is the Purvey. You want to add the live chat option. This is the intercom plugin available. You want to add the analytics section with the Google. This is the analytics. You want to add the adverse conversion tracking. There's the plugin available. Pin code distance based delivery. Okay, you want to add the features that is going to automatically optimize the pricing and the timing for the delivery of the product with the shipping code or the pin code or the zip code. There's this plugin option available. This is for the MailChimp email marketing. This is for the Google Search Console, and this is for the trusted badges you want to show on your store. You can do it for here. You want to add the pop-ups. There's the opt-in monster plugin available. This is the Shopify importer. Okay, and there are so many good plugins available. With a single click you can install on your app or store and add the extra functionality and the features. Okay, so right now it has around the 100 plugins available, and last year or the 2 years back when I have reviewed first time Dukaan, it has only the around 10 or 15 kind of the plugins. So they are constantly adding new plugins here based on the users request and what they find the useful. Okay, so if you have installed any of the plugins, you want to uninstall and manage them, there's the install section available. And this is the last thing, that is the settings. You want to do some configuration like adding the custom domain, you can do it from here. This is for the store details, like adding your store link, store information, all this stuff here, you can do that. You want to add the controls to your team members, you can do it from this staff account, and all these things you can just control and configure from here. So you want to connect the payment gateway, this is the payment section, and here you can find out all the major payment gateways options available. You can set up here. This is for the checkout, this is for the warehouse, this is for the return, delivery, all this configuration part you can see here in the setting part. Okay, so this is the Dukaan app introductory overview and the features demo I have showed you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want a detailed tutorial and the comparison with the Shopify, I already have the video available on my channel. Just search the Dukaan here and you'll find out those videos as well. So make sure to like this video if you enjoyed, and hit the subscribe button if you want to stay updated with these kind of the AI tools, SaaS tools, reviews, comparison and the updates Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. But wait a minute. Suppose you have launched the Dukaan, but now you are confused which products or the which category you want to sell. So what if there's the tool which can help you to research the trendy products and even the ads, so you can run the ads and get the instant sales. So there's the tool right now available on the app Sumo. With this tool you can do the product research on the different platform and find out the trending products with the sales units and their launch and the trend going on. You can do the same thing with the ad research, with the store research, and you can also do the product research with the keywords here. Okay, so this tool is the Dipshop. Right now it is available on the app Sumo, starting from just $69, same as the Dukaan. And if you can buy and combine the Dukaan with the trending product research and the ad research like Dipshop platform, you are going to killing it in the sales and the your store launching here. So if you want to also check out the Dipshop, the link will be given in the description. And if you want to watch the detailed video on this tool here as well, there's the video available with the detailed tutorial and the overview. So this is the video I'm talking about. There's the AI find trending product for your Shopify dropshipping. This is the Dipshop detail tutorial. So if you want to check out this video, you can go to my channel and you can also find the link in the description. Now let's buy, and I will see you in the next one.